Hi, my name is Zachary and I'm an attorney at the law office of Zachary D. Kamikowski, PLLC, and I help parents with minor children and individuals nearing retirement achieve their life and legacy goals. Today I want to talk about a situation where I found that clients sometimes come to me and they've expressed why they've taken so long to decide to create an estate plan, and that reason is because they can't decide among their families and friends, their family members and their friends, who they want to serve in different fiduciary roles, that is, decision-making roles. If you have a situation where you can't decide between your family and your friends who you want to serve in different roles, you might want to consider a professional fiduciary, either an individual or a corporation. Now, what questions would you ask in order to vet a potential fiduciary? The first question you might ask is, how much do they charge? And how do they charge? Do they charge an hourly rate? You would find that the individuals, the professional individuals who serve in those roles, tend to charge hourly rates. And then a corporation or a trust company, they would tend to charge a percentage of assets under management. So in the latter case, that would incentivize them to be thorough. They would want to find as many assets of yours as possible so they could charge their percentage on top of that. Using a percentage of assets under management, it also disincentivizes the dragging out of sometimes an already unavoidably lengthy process. You might want to ask a potential fiduciary also how long it tends to take them to administer a potential estate of your size. And you might want to ask about their policies and procedures regarding regular communication with family members and beneficiaries. You want to make sure that your family members and beneficiaries are kept in the loop during the administration process. Another question you want to ask is whether there's any special paperwork that they require in order to take on the administration of your estate. You want to make this process as smooth as possible. You want to make sure that your estate attorney and the potential fiduciary communicate and they work through any of that paperwork so that when the time comes for the fiduciary to step into that role, they can do so as smoothly as possible. Finally, you might want to ask your potential fiduciary about their best and worst experiences administering an estate of your potential size. And then you could ask, in the case of a bad experience, any lessons that they learned or how they overcame those challenges. So I just want to make a quick video to help you think about some questions that you might want to ask a potential corporate fiduciary in the case where you can't think of a family member or a friend who you want to serve in that role. My name is Zachary and I'm an attorney at the law office of Zachary D. Kamikowski, PLLC. If you have any questions about this video, I encourage you to reach out to me at txwealthlaw.com. Thank you.